Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this short video tutorial we'll be creating an Angular project that will help us to read CSV file. So prior to starting our project, I assume that you have already installed Node Package Manager and Angular on your computer, and if you have not installed them you can go to the description of the video and learn how to install them. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a new project. So for that you can just type in ng new read CSV project. So that will be the name of our Angular project. I'm currently using VS Code for this project, but feel free to use any kind of text editor that you are comfortable with. Let's get into our project folder. Just typing cd read CSV and you can see the list of file in there. So first of all we'll create a service called COVID. For that you can just type ng g generate s COVID. So you can see the COVID services is created successfully. After that we'll be creating a component, so which will be named as cases report. For that you can type in ng-gc cases report. You can remove all the file from app.component.html and you can add app cases report in here. Basically app cases report, it is a selector name that you can find in your rcomponent.ts file. So the name of the file can be different based on the name of the component that you wrote. So let's just run ngserve and make sure that everything is running as expected. So yeah, you can see that we can see the HTML file of cases report. That means our project is running correctly. We will be needing HTTP client module for this project to make HTTP GET request. And in order to add HTTP GET request module, we need to go to app.module.ts and import HTTP client module in there. So currently we are importing HTTP client module. Uh, After this, we can now go to our COVID services file and we'll be implementing the logic of getting the data from the CSV file in here. So this will be the CSV file that we'll be using for this project, and you can like have a look. You can go to the link in the description below to in order to get the link of the file. So we should make sure that we are initializing our HTTP client from our constructor as well. We'll be making a method called getInput that will return a GET request from the URL that we have provided, and it will respond with a text file. So this is all we have to do in our COVID service class. So this is our component file casesreport.component.ts, and you can also see on line 4 the name of the selector that you use on our app.component.html file. So we'll be creating an array called COVID data and initialize it with an empty array. So we'll be calling COVID service class that we recently created, and we'll be calling the method that we recently wrote in there. So currently we are just basically making a method called get data, where we will be putting the logic of calling from our component to the service. We'll be splitting all this data line by line and add all this data on our COVID data array that we declared previously. Now let's go to our cases report component.html file, and we will be using for ng4 in order to list all those items on the array. Let's check if everything is working correctly till now. Just type in ng-serve, and let's check our browser if it is working as expected. So you can see now that our data are loaded successfully. So this is all guys for this tutorial. Hope to see you on the next video soon. Thank you.